April 2025. Unlock the best deals on smart home security that won't break the bank. Feeling a bit uneasy about what the future holds? You're not alone. While we're not predicting chaos, it's smart to think about protecting what matters most, your home. Lucky for you, April 2025 brings a wave of killer smart home security deals that let you keep an eye on your property without wiping out your savings. Imagine a sleek smart camera with motion sensing, night vision, and human detection, quietly watching your house while you relax. These cameras come in all shapes and sizes, standalone units, doorbell integrations, and even connected with wireless locks and motion sensors, all syncing seamlessly with your phone or smart devices to send instant alerts. Now's the perfect time to upgrade your security game. Here's everything you need to know about the best deals this month. Top security camera deals. TP-Link Tapo 1080p indoor camera, just $14.99, save $8. It's simple but does the job. Motion alerts, two-way talk, Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. Perfect for an entry-level buy. Eufy Cam 1080p, 2-pack. For $139.99, you get rechargeable, detailed footage with night vision and real-time alerts that distinguish between your cat and visiting delivery folks. Plus, no monthly fee for storage if you use the included hub. Blink Mini 2, an ultra-compact, $19.99 gadget with 1080p video that works with Alexa and IFT. With an IP65 rating, it's versatile enough for indoor and outdoor use. Best video doorbell offers. Blink Video Doorbell Plus Sync Module 2, currently $34.99, half off. Wire-free or wired, with up to 2 years of battery life. Offers crisp 1080p vision and easy integration with Alexa. Eufy Battery Doorbell for $79.99. This reliable option streams clear video, alerts you to motion, and stores footage on local microSD cards. Well rated for ease and battery life. TP-Link Tapo 2K Video Doorbell at just $49.99. It delivers sharp 2K resolution, a wide 160 degrees view, and works with both Alexa and Google for seamless smart home connectivity. Security system bargains. Ring Alarm 8-piece kit. Grab it now for only $199.99. Save $50. It's a solid budget-friendly setup with sensors, motion detectors, and easy Alexa integration. SimpliSafe 17-piece whole home system, discounted to $299.99, down from $599.99. Offers comprehensive coverage with sensors, cameras, and no long-term contracts. Xsense 5-piece kit. Perfect if you want something minimal but effective. Just $49.99. Includes motion and entry sensors that work seamlessly with Alexa. Smart lock deals. Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint Lock at $199.99. It's known for quick, accurate fingerprint recognition and works with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant. Acura Smart Lock U100 for $142.69. Unlock in multiple ways. Fingerprint, keypad, app, or traditional key. It even slots into Apple's HomeKit ecosystem. Eufy C220 Smart Lock, available for $119.99, stylish, easy to install, and with a fingerprint scanner that improves over time. Smart home security is more accessible than ever, especially during this month's deals. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading your existing setup, these discounts make it easier to keep your home safe without draining your wallet. Thinking about the bigger picture? Many systems offer optional subscriptions for video storage and extended features, but plenty of quality options exist with local storage or no monthly fees at all. And remember, big sales events like Prime Day or Black Friday usually bring even heftier discounts, so keep your eyes peeled. Secure your home today and enjoy peace of mind knowing you've got the best deals on the market.